Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the default settings in PeaZip. First, open PeaZip on your computer. Now click on the three-dot menu at the top. From the menu, open Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the Localization section. Click on Localization. Here you can see a default option. The default option is related to PeaZip's localization settings, such as the way the application handles its language and regional preferences. For this tutorial, I'll simply show you where this option is located. I'm not going to change any settings. If your version of PeaZip provides options for choosing a default language or localization setting, you can select the option you prefer. After reviewing the setting, you can click OK or close the settings window. It's important to note that the default option inside localization is not the same as making PeaZip the default Windows application for opening archive files. If you want Windows to always open zip or other archive files with PeaZip, you normally need to change the file association from Windows. You can do this by right-clicking an archive file, selecting Open With, and choosing PeaZip. You can then choose the option to always use PeaZip for that file type if available. And that's how you can check the default and localization settings in PeaZip. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.